you're watching Tony R 619 Breaks. Booyah!
Hey, what's up, my YouTube friends? Tony back with another video, and today we're going to do another bots break of Benchwarmer Daisy Dukes. This will be bots number 2. I got these at Blowout Cards for $59, so not too bad. All right, in the first bots that I did, those were probably the best cards we got. We got the Katie Loman Inscription, the Jamie Hammer Jean Swatch, I wish it was autographed, and the Shelby Chestnut, because she's just a very popular girl, and she's the cover model in 2015 Daisy Dukes. All right, so wish me luck as we open up bots number 2. All right, wish me luck, guys. Okay, let's see if we can get a 101 this time. All right. Okay. We got 3 thick cards. Okay. First, we got this Erica Jordan Booyah Daisy Dukes. Man, she looks like she's naked from the top. Whoa. Booyah. Erica Jordan. Nice card. 8 out of 20. Then we got a number card, 5 out of 10. We got a 1 out of 10 in the last box. This is Catherine Smith. Green ink. Very nice. We got an orange parallel of Jaslyn Omi. Nice orange autograph. Booyah. Okay. And then the other base design, we got Michelle Baina. She signed it in black ink. These are the Haystack autograph. Very cool. Then we got Brandy Grace. Very nice. Then we got one of my favorite girls, Jessa Simpson. Jessa Hinton. Jessa Hinton. Booyah. Then we got Stephanie Costanza. Very nice. Very hot looking brunette. Then we got Jessica Rockwell. Boob. Yeah. Jessica Rockwell. Then we got Alice Capriola. Very nice. Another beautiful brunette. And then we got Carolyn Martin. This is our Thanksgiving card. And then we got a really nice one. Look at this, guys. Trishelle Thompson. 1 out of 5. 1 out of 3. I mean, 1 out of 3. Trishelle Thompson. Farmer's Daughter. Booyah. Very cool. I like that. And then our final card is Alice Capriola. So we got her base auto. And that's from the jeans she's wearing, guys. So her base autograph. I wish they would autograph these. This is 3 out of 5. Some of them are autographed and some of them are not. So very cool. Alice Capriola. 3 out of 5. So there it is, guys. There's my bots break. I'm really digging these cards. Digging this one right here too. Just a nice picture right there. Very nice. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. All right, God bless. See you guys.